Hi, my name is Ben, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Is your TV not turning on? Is there no power to your set? The most common fix for a completely dead set is the power supply board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV fixed. For as little as $20 in 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get your TV back up and running. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap, TV Parts Today is here to help you every step of the way. Check out our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.